Understanding time-sensitive matters. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning of a very commonly used, yet often misunderstood phrase, time-sensitive. Understanding this phrase will not only enhance your English vocabulary but also help you in your daily communication, especially in professional settings. So, let's dive in and decode the essence of being time-sensitive. The term, time-sensitive, refers to situations, tasks, or information that require immediate attention or action within a specific time frame. The essence of being time-sensitive is the urgency and priority attached to the matter at hand. It implies that delaying or ignoring the time-sensitive matter could lead to negative consequences. To fully grasp the concept, let's look at some real-life examples. 1. Medical emergencies. A patient in critical condition requires time-sensitive care, meaning any delay can be life-threatening. 2. Business deadlines. A project with a time-sensitive deadline must be completed by a certain date to meet client expectations or regulatory requirements. 3. Perishable goods. Items like fresh food or flowers are time-sensitive, as they must be delivered and consumed before they spoil. Handling time-sensitive situations requires prompt action and effective prioritization. Here are some tips. 1. Immediate attention. Recognize the urgency and act immediately. 2. Prioritize tasks. Understand what needs to be done first to manage your time effectively. 3. Communicate clearly. If you're working with a team, ensure everyone understands the urgency and their responsibilities. It's important to distinguish between time-sensitive and time-consuming. While time-sensitive tasks require immediate attention, time-consuming tasks may take a lot of time to complete but don't necessarily have to be addressed right away. Balancing both is key to efficient time management. Understanding and responding to time-sensitive matters is crucial in both personal and professional life. It's all about recognizing the importance of time and acting accordingly. We hope this video sheds light on the significance of being time-sensitive and helps you manage your tasks more effectively. Remember, time waits for no one, so let's make every moment count.